this is Dan Split reporting. This was last week price action on Gbpusd. Let me go back to the weekly time frame. On daily time frame, I trade range. This is what we call range. When price breaks structure, when price sleep liquidity. Trade range, I trade SMC. So that is but it's an advanced concept of SMC. So what we call it is range. When price breaks structure on higher time frame, something like this. See liquidity, break this high, and then start buying. Start buying. This is a range low. This particular thing here is a range low. This one now is a range low, and it is considered as a strong low because it broke structure first. It was the first one that broke structure. It's a strong low. So, and now I'll be looking for a weak high for continuation. I'll be looking for a weak high. So, depend on the time frame I got this from, whether in the daily time frame also. So maybe I'll go back to the smaller time frame for the weak high. Then once I see it, I'll confirm bearish. I also need something like this but turned upside down. Something like this. Sweep of liquidity. To the upside. Then break of structure. Then Quasimodo, something like that. And come down to break into the discount. Buy, then buy to take out that weak high. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So this is how I trade. So now let us apply it. This is just an illustration. Let me just apply it. Now apply it to the chart, live chart. I don't use bar replay, so we'll just use it that way. So this is a simple liquidity here. This place now. This is simple liquidity and price block structure here on daily time frame. I'll be waiting for a weak high because this is a strong low. Break of structure. Break of structure. This is the weak high. This is a strong low. Then I'll be waiting for a weak high. Formation of a weak high. But I can still be taking continuation trades to some places that are zones. So for longs, but I'll still be working with range though. So this is so I'll go to 4 hours for a range high. I'll check 4 hours. If I check 4 hours I don't see, I'll check for 1 hour. 4 hour created a strong low here. A strong high, a weak high, weak high somewhere here. If it has broken this structure from this place, then I'll consider this place a weak high, but it didn't break structure, so it didn't break this particular structure here. If it has broken this low here with candle body, then I will consider this place and as a weak high, as a strong high for the retracement sell, but it didn't break it. Well, so price came back and took it out. So working with range this week, price took this place out and mitigated a weekly POI here. Let me go back to the week. I'll show you the POI. This weak zone. price mitigated it and then started selling. This is the weak zone. So for now, as price have indicated this weak zone, we are now bearish on Gbpusd. Nothing like that again, because this is a sweep of liquidity and this is a break of market structure. So we are bearish to this, I think to this low or something like that. Though let's wait. This is how I trade. This is how I trade. So on 4 hours, I don't usually play. So this is where the week started. Last week, that just got by. It started here. So it was on Monday, 10th of June, 2024. 10th of June 2024. So price created this high here. I consider this as a strong high, at least strong to this particular liquidity here, because it didn't break, it haven't break the structure so yet. So I was expecting price to take this out higher out because it didn't break this particular structure. I was expecting price to take it out. So on 4 hours, on 1 hour, I mean, price gave I also use flip. I also use flip for the trade, particular trade I used there. There was a trade I took on Monday because I saw that price wanted to take this low out. So, but with a week, so I just sold to that place. Week flip is called another block that failed. Then it's wait, this is the trade I took on, not this one. This is a trade through that particular trade. This should be price should have bought from this place, because according to 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, this is a POI. This should be a POI for buying. I'm trying to explain my entry on Monday. So according to this is another block. Somewhere here is a POI. That is why price was this is an FVG. It's also a kind of POI. Price was supposed to buy here, but if not according to the buyers price, according to the trend or something, price will not buy, to just take it out, because this place is a weak zone. Price has to take this place out, then to buy and take the other high out. That is what happened on Gbpusd on Monday. So when I saw that price was about to take this low out, so I went down to the 5 minute time frame for flip. Now flip is another block that failed. Then price uses it to sell off. Let me explain better with charts. As you can see, this place is this is that this is that this place my cursor is now is that's POI marked out. Price bought from that place little and then came back down. Price eventually took it out, creating a break of structure on 5 minute time frame. 5 minute time frame break of structure. So this should be the main entry. This should be the main entry because price have taken this place out. This place will now be, this whole thing now is a flip, because price first of all bought and later took it out. This whole place now is a flip. This whole place now is a flip. It's a flip. I don't know if you understand me. This whole place now I marked out is a flip. This place here is not a flip. This green candle that's price bought with is a flip. So for your entry, this place, you look for the liquidity. Place that is liquidity, and then your support above the high of the flip. So this is my liquidity. I didn't see this though. I didn't enter this one. This short position to this low, to this particular low I was expecting price to take out. So I will consider this place as liquidity. Stop loss above this high as my flip. Then target here. That's 2 is to reward will show. Then for this one, price took out this. Price sold off and took out this place that should buy too. The price was supposed to buy. Price took it out and broke structure again. I don't know if you understand me. Price was supposed to buy here. And normally this is a break of stock. This here is a zone because it has liquidity and it broke structure to the upside, so it should buy. But price has another bias, so price took it out, and then you're going to use flip to enter to sell it to the time frame. I don't know if you understand me though, but that's it. To the week low that we are expecting price to take out. So I will choose what gave me this entry? What gave me this entry? It should be this this is on 15-minute time frame. I choose one of these liquidity as my entry. This one, something like that. Then price sold off. Price sold off and took out that. Price sold off and took out the low I was expecting, and broke structure. It broke structure from on 15-minute time frame too. Even though on 5 minutes it broke structure. So this was my entry on 5 minutes. And my entry zone was here because of this liquidity here. For me, this is the liquidity. This low here, the liquidity for me. The liquidity. So I entered there and took the buy, short buy. Even though I wasn't sure yet, I also took the buy. Nevertheless, I took the buy. So I took this buy onto this high. Now I was expecting price. There was okay, at that time I was still expecting price to take out this low very well. So there was this breaker. There's a particular breaker here. Yes, this breaker. When price mitigated it, I was expecting to sell there, so I sold. Okay, this high. I'm going to explain this buy. This buy was so flip. I also use flip. also use flip for this buy, this particular buy here. This is my reason for the buy. Let me explain. Price book structure here. Price book structure here. Another one. And this created this liquidity. There is liquidity. So I will look for the next POI in this zone. Stop loss on this low. So my entry was this POI here. This other block. This POI. Stop loss are below that low. That's why I took the buy. Then they sell. You know this zone I marked out on 5 minute time frame is this zone here. This zone is a breaker. So I used the help and took this sell. Took the help of that zone. I used to take this sell that gave 9 to roll ratio. Price book short on 5 minute time frame. Remember that time I was still setting price to take out that low, but he didn't take it out. Luckily I took out partials before it took me out here. So in this particular place it took me out. I took out partials somewhere around this place before it took me out there. So this was the low. Price book structure. According to me, this is a breakout structure for me. Then entry at this liquidity here. Entry is at this liquidity. This liquidity I mark out here now. Stop loss above this high. And price was sold. Sold and then took out again. Took out the high. So I made it to this high. I went back to 1 hour time frame. These are now confirmed that we are in a new range, a new buying range. A new buying range. Has even confirmed it yourself that we are in a new buying range because this is the sweep of liquidity. Sweep of liquidity, break of market structure. So this will be our weak low, our strong low for the continuation buy. It's a strong low, the continuation buy. Strong low means the buy that price we should not take out until take out the weak high. I don't know if you understand me. That is what the rules of range. So this was a weak high and this is a strong low. So price took it out ASAP. That was the reason for this buy on CPI. CPI provided an entry, but I didn't take it though. I don't trade CPI. I decided not to take that CPI because of what last week NFP did to me. So this was the trade. Let me explain. Price book the structure here. Confirming this range high, this range low. This 1 hour range low. So I'm expecting price to buy massively on CPI. The CPI was on 12th Wednesday. On Wednesday, 12th of June. This should be the entry for the CPI. Price is supposed to sell from this place, but he took it out. Took it out here and broke structure. Broke structure. Broke structure. Then price again this time around supposed to sell here, as this place is another block. People that use other block could be selling from this place, so price mitigated them and started selling. Gave them hope small, hope small, before finally taking it out again. Took it out, then this place will be now be an entry. Chief, this breaker. That's why I've taken this place out. I'm not confirmed the buy. This breaker will now be my entry. This breaker. Long position. Stop loss. Suppose do this low, and then target that high, that weak high. Of this in my alert. I didn't take this buy though. I didn't take it. Target that weak high. So when price did that on Wednesday for CPI, I didn't trade it because of your CPI. It mitigated that weekly weak zone, ship of liquidity, break of market structure, ship of liquidity here, break of liquidity, break of market structure here. Then these are our weak zone. Weak zone will be our zone for selling. Means mitigated it. I went ASAP to 5 minute time frame. This was around 5 a.m. the next day on Thursday, and took this sell. Now price has confirmed that GBP is now bearish, so took this sell using optimum trade entry OTE. You should know OTE now. Optimum trade entry. Price broke this structure here. On MT5, this place is an FVG. This weak zone here, it's an FVG. So I use that FVG to enter the trade. I don't know why it's not FVG here. It's not an imbalance in this app. So I use it in taking the trade. Stop loss above this high. Stop loss above this place now was the entry, FVG entry. Stop loss above this high. Stop loss above this high now. And then I sold. I should have known this should be a long sell. I'm going to take out this low. Then I bought something like that here. I don't know why I bought it here, I can't remember. But I bought and then price took it out again, but I took profit here. I closed at break even somewhere around this place on small profits. Then I kept taking continuation sales with flip entry. I've explained flip entry to you. You just need to go back and back test. So now for my analysis, I'm done with the weekly review. For my forecast this week, let me go back to weekly time frame. Price has mitigated this place. This weak zone. Even though, so now we are looking for a range. Work with range and liquidity. Mitigated this low, this high. That's POI on weekly time frame and has broken structure on 1 hour. This is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure. So I'm expecting price to give me another high. A week low, a week low now, so that we can continue to buy into this place, then sell off again. For now, I'm bearish, long term bearish on Gbpusd, at least to this low here, this particular low, to this low. I'm bearish to this place. So until that time, see you again. So my next setup now will be this high. This is a liquidity zone. My POI will be this. So I'll wait for price to reach there and give me confirmation to sell. Confirmation I need is either flip zone or OTE for the sell. Either way, I'll be setting a limit here, limit sell here. Check out this look. So this is my forecast on Gbpusd. Thanks guys.